Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. Now in order for us to get this done, let's just go ahead and type here restore, and you should be able to see here create a restore point. And yeah, from this point forward I want you to go ahead and choose between the available drives that you have. For example, in my local disk C, as you can see, protection is on right now. Windows E, however, is not yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click the Windows E right now, click configure, and turn on system protection. Now from this point forward, I'm going to go ahead and click apply, hit OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the create button right here. Now this is the description, so I usually just put here the date. So it's going to be, say for example, 20th of July, 2025, and then click create. And once it's done, you should be able to see something like this. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And then if, say, for example, I want to restore it, I'm going to go ahead and click System Restore right here. And what's going to happen is this thing is going to pop up. Just click Next, and you should be able to see here the restore point. So, for example, this is what we have made earlier. We can just go ahead and click Next and then finish this one. And yep, that's basically going to restore at that particular period. And that, everybody, is how you're going to create a system restore point in Windows 11.